Hey, Westcoast Johnny, how you doing? Thanks for stopping by. So I just want to make a quick video about, to serve as a reminder about safety. I was wearing this shirt. I just came out of the gym. I was working out. It's my Muscle Sport Media shirt. I was making a little video for my Instagram channel. And afterwards, I came right in the shop to work, and instead of putting my coveralls on, or something like an apron or something, I decided just to wear the shirt. It was a nice breezy day, it was great. Put on my gloves, my goggles, my hat, my hearing protection too. And I was cutting some steel with this angle grinder. I was cutting the steel that was hanging off the edge of my workbench. It was clamped down. And while I was going like this, the breeze, the wind blew my shirt up like this, and this thing was spinning, and it caught into the shirt and made that hole, and you could see the blade went all the way until it got inside the middle, and it was just spinning up inside like this. And the blade used to look like this. This is all that's left of the blade. The rest broke off inside of my shirt. It broke all the shreds while it was spinning. Very scary. And I was like pulling this thing as hard as I could. I couldn't turn it off because the switch was wrapped under the t-shirt, and it's not a safety paddle switch. It's either on, off, which is the worst switch to have when you're cutting steel. That's great if you're like polishing a car, but when you're cutting steel, if it kicks back or it jumps up or anything happens and you let go of it somehow, you want it to cut its power. So I wasn't hurt, but I got some cuts, and it's been 3 days. They're kind of healing up. And anyways, now I wear an apron. I went and got a really nice thick leather apron at the blacksmith shop in my city. There's a little blacksmith shop in town. So now I'm going to wear this because no moving parts can get tangled in this. Sparks won't hurt it either. And so basically, I'm not saying all angle grinders are dangerous. What I'm saying is, if you use it dangerously, and it's a dangerous tool because it's missing the guards and stuff, that's what you don't want to do. So I basically learned my lesson about buying like $20 grinders. And I just bought in Milwaukee. It has a really nice guard that they said it won't fall off right away. And it should be here in a week or so. I'm only going to use these kind if I'm like maybe polishing or something, but no cutting, nothing like that. Another thing you want to be careful of, drill presses. So you never want to wear any kind of loose clothing. When I was in high school, I took machine shop, and one of the guys in the class before me, he had long hair and a ponytail, and he got it caught in the drill press somehow. And the teacher, he left in the ambulance, but the teacher left like the scalp and the blood and everything all over the drill press for a couple days because he wanted everybody to see it and get a good visual of safety. And I swear that still, I think of that when I use my drill press today. I always think of, don't mess around with the drill press. I've seen what'll happen. You don't have to have a ponytail. You can have long sleeves, and you could be brushing some chips, and you're going to get your sleeve maybe get caught around the drill bit. It's going to pull your wrist. You don't want to get pulled into machinery. All right. Well, thanks everybody, and I'll talk to everybody soon. All right.